How to check flight status with Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check flight status with Air Transat. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into Air Transat website, just like I have done here. And then once you're on the website, the next step is for you to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down until you can see a place or a location, a mini page containing options such as flight, package, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking, and then click on flight status. Once you click on flight status, you'll be taken to the flight status page where you would see arrivals and departure. And from here, you can find out status about your flight. If it's arriving, if it's departing, you will know here. Now, there are two different ways to check your flight status, through your route or through your flight number. Through route, you have to select where the flight is taking off from and where the flight is landing. Ensure you enter those information. You select the departure date, then click on search, and then you'll be able to find out your flight status. And the second way is through your flight number. By clicking on this box here, entering the flight number that has been sent to you after you booked the flight, then entering the departure date and click on search, and that way you'll be able to check out the flight status of your flight. This is that simple. So this is how you can check flight status on Air Transat. So go ahead, spread the information, like and subscribe if this video has helped you. Have a nice day.